Good evening, Mrs. Helton's superhero. So tonight's experiment, we tried it earlier today and we weren't very successful as we shared on our pet video.
Because we did something wrong. Instead of normal water, we need hot water.
So again, for this experiment, you need
dry erase markers, straws.
Okay, I got a clear glass, like Pyrex dish, and you can see I kind of wrote upside down finish line, so when you look it on the inside, it says finish line. And again, like Natalie said, we got this to be really hot, so by the time we get done drawing, it will be just warm. So we're gonna head and try again.
Yep.
And we're gonna go ahead and draw, since Easter's next week, we're gonna draw some Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Also, we put a white cloth underneath so we could see what we're drawing just a little bit better. Against our brown table, it was really hard to see what we were drawing. Make sure it's all filled in, baby.
For this side open, and the other side open.
Again, you want to kind of fill in your entire creation. You can also do this with the spiders, which are kind of cool because they have, if you put like the 4 legs on one side and 4 legs on the other side, the legs kind of wobble in the water, which is kind of fun to do. But Natalie was just a little bit nervous and scared about drawing some spiders today.
Because I don't like spiders. And it's not Halloween.
All right, finish it up. So inside the dry erase marker is alcohol and kind of an oil-based ink. And what you need to do is you need to let that alcohol evaporate first. Okay, so you need to let your creation sit for about a minute to make sure that all that alcohol is evaporated from that creation, and that it only leaves that oily paint kind of texture behind. And then, as you know, with some of the other science experiments we've done in class, we know that oil is normally lighter than water, so we put water and we put oil, they will separate. The water will sink to the bottom and the oil will raise to the top. So we're hoping that the same thing happens here.
Is that a minute?
I think we have about 30 seconds left from the timer that we got going on that's a little bit off camera.
40 seconds.
So we hope that you're having a great evening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when you want to pour that warm water, you want to get close to your creation as possible.
But not too close.
But not right on top, because if you do it right on top, it might mess up the creation. So I'm kind of going right around it.
And it's flooding. But it's breaking. Mine's breaking.
And this is the problem we were having earlier, is that we would get one to float and one not to float.
I win!
But you're just falling apart.
Yeah, mine's falling apart.
So maybe you'll have better luck with this experiment than we are. So you can see we're getting sometimes it to work and sometimes not. If it's not working, try again. Let it sit a little bit longer, okay? I'm tempted almost to let these sit for like 5 minutes and try again. But anyway, have a good evening. And if you want to try our floating ink experiment, go ahead. All right, have a good night.